Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming one piece of identity, the Microsoft account email or phone linked to the profile. Use a trusted device and network. This reduces false flags during verification. Once done, go to Account, Microsoft, COM and select Forgot My Password. You'll choose a reason, then receive a code via the recovery option. Do this now so Microsoft can verify ownership. The system steps you through sending a 6-digit code or a recovery link to the contact you selected. You'll receive a 6-digit code by email, SMS, or authenticator. Enter it precisely because codes expire fast. If you don't have access to the listed option, choose I don't have access and follow alternate verification prompts. This asks for recent account activity, sent mail subjects, folder names, or billing details, so prepare specifics. The why? Accurate answers prove ownership to Microsoft's automated checks, increasing chances of an approved, reset through the recovery form when simple verification won't work. Once verified, you set a new password. Choose 12 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. After resetting, sign out other devices and update any saved passwords in browsers and apps so tokens refresh. If the reset fails, use the full account recovery form and provide as many details as possible. Then wait 24 to 72 hours for Microsoft to review. One tip if trouble persists: double-check recovery contacts and retry the recovery form with additional recent activity details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.